Well, in this particular computer, you start by removing about 6 screws around the screen, which are pretty easy using a star screwdriver. And then you use one of these to ply the plastic, get it out. Should come out very easy. This particular one, I removed it previously. That's when I realized that the screen is not working. So it's undergone some kind of abuse in the past, but it should come out easy. But always take precautions so you don't mess it up. And there are 4 other screws here that you have to remove, each side, and 2 on the top. And these are fairly easy as well, as long as you're using the right tool. And then you should be able to pull it out using the tool that you used previously to remove the plastic. The same tool can be used to pull it out by gently applying it from the metal holders. I use the same tool to remove the tape, which is holding the cable, the screen cable, the screen connector, I should say, the connector that connects it from this to the logic board. And then yes, we have the new screen, which I will unbox right now. And after this, we should be able to put it on the computer. Pretty easy, simple and straightforward, I should say. The packaging was very well done. Thanks laptopscreens.com. They did an amazing job. And there is the screen. It comes with this extension cable in case your screen has the connection on the other side, but luckily on my side it aligns very well with where the screen is, the connector is, so I wouldn't need this one. So yes, I'm not gonna use this, so I will connect this one directly. Make sure you find and locate the same position where the older screen was and gently insert it until you can feel it that it's clicking inside, and put the tape back on just like so and put it back up. But before that, make sure you remove the screen protection that came with it by removing the tape. Simple. The whole process shouldn't take long, really. It should be less than 20 minutes. For me, this particular one, it took longer because I had to fix the screen, the plastic cover that was around the screen. Most of the holes were too big for any screws to hold. So here you need to at least attach one screw, but before you put any other screws, you need to test and make sure that the screen is working. So the moment of truth. Yay, it's working. So now that we've confirmed that it's good, as you can see, if it was not working, it wouldn't even turn on anything on the screen. So now that this is working, so you need to put all the other screws. I skipped some of the things here because I had to do a lot of screen fixing. I mean the plastic, I had to put a lot of tapes around it. The previous technicians had put glue, and I would strongly discourage you from doing that. It's a nightmare if ever you have to change the screen. Make sure you use a tape, use the right tools for these kind of things, and you would never have a go wrong. But if you use the wrong tools, it's going to give you problems down the line. Put all the screws that you removed previously, and after this we will test it one more time. It's all done, so let's try it. I had to charge it a little bit, so let's try. There you go, it's working. The Windows logo and everything is good. Thanks for watching, and this has been a presentation for ASUS X72J. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.